Now since that's out of the way, I'm gonna show you guys how to remove this panel here. You can probably just lift up around the edge. Let me see how I can get around the edge of this thing. Just got to give it a little nudge on the sides, this whole thing. There's no screws involved. Like, that's it. It's all held on by these little clip guys. So if you guys just just get enough to underneath it where you just prop it up, this will come out. If you spill coffee on here, or you just want to just clean it because it's just disgusting. Very simple. And if you don't want to get this part, take the time and just unscrew it right here. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. We can remove the electronic section of it, which is this, with the plug. You know what I mean? Want to clean this separately, or you might want to paint it because it's been scratched up. But now you can take this and put it underneath the sink and wash it, clean it, get all the stains out of it. Who likes to have a dirty car? And then just put it back together. Putting this back in with the screws. Make sure you don't lose the screws like I just did. And going back in, it's very simple. It literally just clips back in. I would suggest probably going in, being lazy, with this being here, you gotta make sure you get that there. So you could just come in underneath here, start off there, or come in this way and then just pop it back in. Very simple. Very, very simple to remove the center console, remove this guy out of the way, to clean whatever you want to clean.